Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to treating sinus congestion. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. The pressure in your brow is increasing, your nose is running, and you just don't feel well. You believe you have a sinus infection, also known as sinusitis. Most sinus infections will clear up in 7 to 10 days if you take care of yourself at home. What to do at home to relieve sinus pressure and pain. Here are the top 10 at-home treatments for sinus pain and inflammation to help you get rid of your sinus infection faster. Flush. To flush your nasal passages, use a neti pot, a therapy that uses a salt and water solution. For centuries, nasal irrigation with a neti pot has been a tried-and-true sinus treatment method. Neti pots are used daily or weekly by some of my patients to keep their sinuses clear. Remember to only use distilled water. Spray. To keep your nasal passages moist, unblock congestion, and treat inflammation, use an over-the-counter nasal decongestant spray containing salt water. Some sprays, such as Afrin, have a 3-day maximum use period. If you wait longer than 3 days, you will experience rebound or worse nasal congestion. Other nasal sprays, such as fluticasone, become more effective with continued use. Hydrate. Drink plenty of fluids, water and/or juice, to thin your mucus. Avoid caffeine and alcoholic beverages, which can dehydrate you. Rest. Rest well to help your body fight infection and recover quickly. Prop yourself up with a couple of pillows while sleeping. Staying elevated can make it easier to breathe. Steam. Take a hot shower or inhale steam from a pot or bowl of warm, but not too hot, water. You can also apply a warm, wet towel to your face before applying a cool towel, to help relieve sinus pain and open your nasal passages. Spice. To help clear your nasal passages, eat spicy foods. Serve with hot peppers, hot sauce, horseradish, or wasabi. Increase the humidity. While sleeping, use a humidifier or vaporizer to add moisture to the air and help reduce congestion. Dry air, tobacco smoke, and chlorinated water can irritate your nasal mucous membranes and create an environment conducive to sinus infection. Over-the-counter medication. To relieve sinus pain and pressure, use over-the-counter decongestants, antihistamines if allergies are to blame, and pain relievers. If you have any health concerns or are taking any other medications, consult your doctor first. Children under the age of 4 should never be given decongestants or any over-the-counter cold medicine. Nasal suction is the most effective decongestant method for young children. This also helps to reduce postnasal drip and lung irritation. C is crucial. Increase your vitamin C intake. This may aid in the faster recovery from a sinus infection, reduce sinus inflammation, and shorten the duration of a sinus infection or cold symptoms. Understand your triggers. Be aware of what can cause a cold or sinus infection and be prepared. Take an antihistamine before allergy season begins, or use a neti pot as soon as a cold begins. Aromatherapy. To open up your airways and reduce inflammation, try putting a few drops of eucalyptus oil, try this therapeutic grade pick from Healing Solutions, in the shower. According to one study published in Clinical Trial, a pill containing cineole relieves sinusitis headaches. Pressure points. Nasal blockage, and mucus secretion. Another study published in the journal Cough found that cineole was effective in treating acute bronchitis. Humidifiers. The steam from a humidifier, such as the Honeywell HCM 350W germ-free cool moisture humidifier, can moisturize an entire room, including your nasal passages. Many people use humidifiers on a regular basis to cool the air in dry climates, and they can also relieve sinusitis symptoms and other respiratory ailments. The key to using humidifiers is to not overuse them and to keep them clean. if left unattended. Dirty humidifiers can serve as breeding grounds for mold and bacteria, both of which can cause sinus infections. Some people add eucalyptus oil to humidifiers as well. Compresses that are warm. Applying a warm compress to your face can help relieve some of the pain caused by sinus pressure. What is the most basic type of warm compress? A dampened washcloth or towel with warm water. Keep hydrated. You've probably heard this advice before. However, drinking plenty of fluids, preferably water, will make you feel better. Staying hydrated will thin your mucus, making it easier to drain if you have a sinus infection. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, which may have the opposite effect of dehydrating you. Alcohol may also cause your sinuses to swell more, exacerbating your symptoms.